talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new. I just wanna go out on a walk with you.
Mulți ani trăiască!
La mulți ani!
Mulți ani trăiască! Mulți ani trăiască! La mulți ani trăiască! Mulți ani trăiască! Mulți ani trăiască! La mulți ani
Mai eram... Mamă, ce bine. Că e bun. O să mai muște și alții din tortulețe. Pupați-vă. E bun. E bun.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
The morning of my partner's birthday, his cousin and I teamed up to surprise him. We each had our little job so that when he woke up, the whole house would feel like a celebration. Because he goes to sleep really late and I wake up really early, his cousin stayed up and blew up a bunch of balloons during the night, hiding them around the house so that I could decorate first thing in the morning. What I didn't expect was the surprise waiting for me. When I woke up on the 19th of November and looked outside, it was snowing. It made the whole moment just a lot more magical. Just me quietly decorating the house, watching the snow fall. It took a bit of time, but honestly, I really enjoyed the whole process.
Let's see if what I want to do is gonna work or it's gonna be a completely disaster and I'm gonna have to rethink my strategy.
My mother told me, don't sit here waiting for a sign. So I'm thinking maybe it's time I put it all on the line. But I heard from others that you chase out love was on the run. That's not a problem, 'cause I proved to you that I'm the one. Cause I love you more than words can say. Yeah, baby, in each and every way. There is nothing I can do but to take this love, draw it back to you. This love of mine, this love of mine. Come sing with me now, baby. Ooh, 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 ooh. This love of mine. The smile you keep hiding, I think I'm doing good so far. So I keep on trying. I just wanna be where you are. Cause I love you more than words can say. Yeah, baby, in each and every way. There is nothing I can do to take this love and draw it back to you. of mine.
It actually turned out better than I expected. It looks really nice. It feels like a birthday party in here. And this is why I've added this as like a backsplash, so we can take pictures and it can be nice. And you don't have to see the washing machine if you like just have this door open. And I've got the balloon. Ooh. That's okay, Bobby. We've got one less balloon to worry about. Oh my god, that scared me. Whew. Okay. I think this will happen with most of them, but it is what it is. At least if half of them stay here until the weekend, I'd be really, really pleased. It's currently Wednesday, so unlikely, but we'll see. One last balloon. But that's it. I'm gonna now go to work. I've got a bunch of images and like pictures and a card, and I want him to wear this today, and it looks, I'm really pleased with how this all turned out. It took me 2 hours to put it together. It is 10 to 9 right now, and I have work. I work for half day today. I don't want to take the day off because tomorrow is Black Friday and I couldn't, so half day. I'm gonna finish at 12 anyways, it's fine. But I'm gonna go start my work day, make myself a coffee, and wait for the birthday boy. Wait, wait. Open!
Ui! Te smutek acolo?
It's everywhere!
Nu cred!
Happy birthday! Daisy? Oh, hi. Come on, you're gonna come back after.
Așa făcea cu BMW. Bă, pasat. Așa era BMW și făcea cu BMW. Bă, pasat. Au, 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 au.
Bă,